Best comparison, drum smokers have become increasingly popular among barbecue enthusiasts for their ability to deliver rich, smoky flavors with minimal effort. They offer a vertical design that optimizes heat distribution and smoke retention. List number 1. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker is a versatile and user-friendly option for those who prefer electric-powered convenience. With a generous 725 square inches of cooking space and 4 removable smoking racks, it accommodates large quantities of food for parties and gatherings. Key features include a glass door for monitoring progress, a side wood chip loader for uninterrupted smoking, and a digital control panel for precise temperature and timer settings. Its 800 WT heating tube ensures consistent smoke production for tender, juicy results. Performance-wise, the East Oak smoker excels in maintaining steady temperatures between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 275 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for a variety of recipes. The visual glass door is particularly useful for beginners who want to monitor their food without disrupting the cooking process. However, at 62 pounds, it is relatively heavy and less portable compared to other models. The included meat thermometer provides accurate readings, but some users may find the digital controls slightly complex to navigate initially. List number 2. Charbroil Bullet Charcoal Smoker 16, 18, 20, 2075. The Charbroil Bullet Charcoal Smoker is an affordable entry-level model that delivers solid performance for casual barbecue enthusiasts. With 388 square inches of cooking space, it's compact yet functional. Its porcelain-coated steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the innovative air control system allows for precise heat management. Dual carry handles make it portable, and the lid-mounted temperature gauge provides basic monitoring capabilities. While the Charbroil smoker is a great budget option, it has limitations in terms of capacity and advanced features. It's best suited for small gatherings or individuals new to smoking. The porcelain-coated grates are easy to clean, but the single-year warranty on parts may deter some buyers seeking long-term reliability. Overall, it's a straightforward, no-frills smoker that gets the job done without breaking the bank. List number 3. Universal 6-pound stainless steel small charcoal barrel smoker with thermometer. The Universal 6-pound stainless steel charcoal barrel smoker is a compact, lightweight option designed for small gatherings. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel with wood accents, it offers durability and aesthetic appeal. It includes 6 meat hooks, a gaff, a grilling rack, and a charcoal holder, making it a complete smoking kit. The airlock system provides precise heat control, while the removable thermometer ensures consistent cooking temperatures. This smoker is ideal for users who prioritize portability and simplicity. With a 6-pound capacity, it's perfect for intimate settings, but may not suffice for larger groups. The stainless steel construction resists rust, but its compact size limits versatility in cooking larger cuts of meat. Despite being lightweight, the smoker feels sturdy and well-built, making it a reliable choice for casual use. List 4. Big Papa's DIY Drum Smoker. Big Papa's DIY Drum Smoker Kit is a unique offering that allows users to convert a 55-gallon drum into a fully functional smoker. The kit includes high-quality stainless steel hardware, a round grill grate, and high-temp gaskets, enabling customization and personalization. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts who want to tailor their smoker to specific needs and preferences. The DIY nature of this kit means it requires some assembly and a 55-gallon drum, which is not included. However, once set up, it delivers exceptional smoking performance with consistent heat retention and smoke flow. The ability to customize the setup makes it a favorite among experienced pit masters, but it may not be ideal for beginners unfamiliar with smoker assembly. List 5. Universal 20-pound stainless steel 25 servings charcoal barrel smoker with thermometer. The Universal 20-pound stainless steel charcoal barrel smoker is a premium option designed for large gatherings. With a 20-pound capacity, it serves up to 25 portions, making it ideal for parties and events. Its durable stainless steel construction and elegant wood accents ensure longevity and style. The advanced airflow system and removable thermometer provide precise temperature control, while the included accessories make it ready to use out of the box. This smoker excels in versatility, allowing users to slow cook meats, vegetables, and even fruits. While its larger size offers impressive capacity, it's less portable than smaller models. Additionally, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, it's a top-tier choice for those who prioritize performance and capacity over portability.